Okay, good morning, students. Today we will revise. First is chapter number 1, network concepts. So I will put the questions and you will give the answers. First question is, I have one network. Here is computer 1 and computer 2. Now tell me, here computer 1 and computer 2, these are nodes, computer or system. What they are called? They are called nodes. Okay? What is node? A computer that is connected with a network. Next is the way we connect to computers are called communication media. How many type of communication medias? It is called two type, wired and wireless. Okay? Another name of wired, guided and unguided. Okay? So there are three type of wires we are using in communication media. Name these wires: twisted pair, coaxial cable, and last one is optical fiber. ठीक है? बुक में होगा लिखा हुआ, नहीं लिखा हुआ तो एक्स्ट्रा भी हो गया आपके पास. ठीक है? One is twisted pair, second one is coaxial cable, and advanced one is optical fiber. तो प्रेजेंट टाइम में हम वो लेते हैं ना इंटरनेट कनेक्शन ऑप्टिकल फाइबर का, क्योंकि वायर्स होती हैं ऑप्टिकल फाइबर मींस वो ग्लास की बनी होती है. दैट्स व्हाई द स्पीड ऑफ इंटरनेट इज वेरी फास्ट इन द केस ऑफ ऑप्टिकल फाइबर. जो आपके पास नॉर्मल ट्विस्टेड पेयर होती है उसमें कॉपर की होती है वायर. द स्पीड ऑफ डाटा ट्रांसमिशन इन कॉपर वायर इज स्लो. नेक्स्ट इज Dash is a wireless technology used to interconnect mobile phones, computer, printer using short range wireless connections. It is Bluetooth. It is Bluetooth. Next is any four advantages of networking. Good, beta. Efficient use of storage media, then preserving information, reduction in hardware cost, efficiency, reduce data redundancy, and last one is quickest document delivery. Only the headings are sufficient, beta. Next is central device in which all the computers are connected is called hub. So hub or switch both are central controlling device. Now difference between hub and switch. Hub is in hub is a passive, it is not a active, but switch is active or smart. In hub we can connect less number of computers, but in switch we can attach number of computers. Number 3, in hub there is no any internal storage, but in the case of switch, there is internal storage. Next is in wireless network card, we use that dash type of signals, radio signals. Next is another name of routers, access point. Another name of router is access point. Next is full form of PAN, LAN, MAN, WAN, wide area network. Now, one example each. WAN, it is internet or ATM. Okay, these are example of WAN. Look, cable. This is MAN. Okay. Next is any bank branch or any lab. Okay, computer lab. So both are examples of local networking. Then PAN. आ सकता है telecom. Yes, laptop with mobile. So this is a example of a PAN, personal area network. Next is two type of network architecture: client server and peer to peer. Now tell me, this is a peer-to-peer or client server? Peer-to-peer. In a peer-to-peer, all the computers have equal importance. Okay? But in the case of client server, there is a main computer that is called server. In this, all the computers are connected. So server is controlling. Clear? It is a... नहीं, आपस में नहीं. Is it possible that when you are using internet, you open the website of sbi.com, but you are not interacting with other client, you are interacting with the server. Okay, so this is in when your network is very small, we use peer to peer. When network is very large, we use client server. बेटा उसमें भी आपके पास जो मीन्स जो आपके पास कोई भी कंप्यूटर नहीं है, तो दैट इज ए peer to peer. नेक्स्ट इज डैश अटैच हो सकती है. Now next is dash is a computer that provides services to the client. Server, that is called server. Another name of client, workstation. These are called workstations. Next is full form of Wi-Fi, wireless fidelity. Full form of WAP, wireless access point. Two type of network security: login security and write security. Read only, read write only is an example of which type of security? Write security. User ID and passwords, it is a login. No. Next is two type of databases: flat database, relational database. Full form of DBMS, database management system. Any three element of a table. No elements of a table. Field, record, and data. Field, record, and data. Any four component of database: table, queries, report, and form. That is a key that provide unique data. Primary key. Combination of more than one key that create primary key is called composite key. Any four component of MS Access window: quick access toolbar, title bar, then navigation pan, navigation status bar. Yes, okay. Next is extension of access file is .accdb. The shortcut key to quit MS Access, Alt plus F4. Exit option is available in which menu? File menu. In memo data type, we can enter how much data? 65,536 characters. And in text data type, 255 characters. Shortcut key to save the changes and close the table: Control plus W. Two views available in of a table: data sheet view and design view. Two parts of design view: field grid pan and field properties pan. Different methods to create table: design view, data sheet view, and templates. Next is two methods to create to set primary key. Any student? Only in place of two methods, only one method to set primary key. Beta, in a design view, select the field in which you want to set primary key. Then click on primary key button available in tools group in design tab. Tool group in design tab. Or right click and click on primary key. How many primary key we can set in a table? only one. Whether primary key is compulsory or not, it is not a compulsory, it is recommended. अगर आप प्राइमरी की नहीं लगाते और टेबल क्लोज करते हो तो वहां पे मैसेज आता है कि प्राइमरी की इज नॉट सेट, डू यू वांट टू सेट प्राइमरी की? ठीक है, अगर यस करते तो ऑटोमेटिकली प्राइमरी की सेट हो जाती है, एक फील्ड बन जाती है। विच फील्ड? अगर आप प्राइमरी की नहीं लगाओगे, ठीक है, और आप करते हो कि यू वांट टू सेट प्राइमरी की, in that case one field automatically added, that field name is id. yes. टोगल की, बेटा टोगल की क्या होता है, देखो सपोज I had type one text SSDPS. I select this text and click on bold button. तो टेक्स्ट क्या हो जाएगा? बोल्ड. फिर से क्लिक करूं तो वो क्या हो जाएगा? अनबोल्ड. मींस reverse. So toggle buttons are those buttons in one click they are active, in another click they are deactive. प्राइमरी की टोगल की है, एक बार प्रेस करोगे प्राइमरी की सेट हो जाएगी, सेकंड टाइम करोगे वो डीएक्टिवेट हो जाएगी. यस प्रबल.
I want to ask that the chapter 6 and 7. In the chapter 6 and 7, sir, there are tools, sir. In the steps of tools, we have to write bookish language, or we can write select the tool, drag the mouse to, sir. For example, brush tool is there. To drag the mouse to apply brush stroke.
Prabha, your voice is not clear. Better is to give me a WhatsApp message, then I will reply. Okay. Next is I have one table in which I have admission number, name of the student, address, marks. On which field we should set primary key? It is admission number. In a table, if we want to go to the next cell, which key you will press? Tab key. And go to the previous cell, shift plus tab. Next is arranging your data in ascending or descending order is called sorting. ठीक है, arranging your data in ascending or descending order is called sorting. Ascending or descending option is available in which tab? Home tab. ठीक है, किस में अवेलेबल होगा बेटा ये? होम टैब में. होम टैब अंडर सॉर्ट एंड फिल्टर ग्रुप. सॉर्ट एंड फिल्टर ग्रुप बेटा. Next is a dash query retrieve the data from one or more table and display the record set in a data sheet. Yes. Which type of query? Select query or parameterized query? It is a select query. So a select query retrieve the data from one or more tables and display the record set in a data sheet view. Next is a dash query is a type of select query that prompt you for input. It is parameterized query. dash query create a new table or alter you data or database by adding, deleting, updating and appending. It is action query. It is called next chapter beta. ठीक है, action query. Next is name the different view in which we can form is displayed. Form view, design form, and last one is layout view. Beta, this is page number 51. Next is what is criteria? Any condition set in filtration of data is called criteria. Yes, online student, any doubt here? Next question is the initial name of Adobe Photoshop was display program, and in which year it was developed? 1987 है बेटा. 1990 में बेटा Adobe Photoshop 1.0 इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ था. In which year Adobe Photoshop 1.0 was introduced? 1990. In Adobe Photoshop, Adobe is the name of company. ठीक है, तो Adobe company है, उसी के उसने create किया है. To undo more than one action at a time, which shortcut key is used? Control plus Alt plus G. बेटे जो लेटेस्ट in the case of Adobe Photoshop, CS means आपकी बुक में गिवन नहीं है, इसको रहने दो फिर. ठीक है, वैसे देयर इज ए फुल फॉर्म ऑफ सीसी, सीएस होते हैं, उसमें होते हो जो आप लिखते हैं ना Adobe Photoshop CC1. ठीक है, पर इसके फुल फॉर्म हो सकता है. इट इज क्रिएटिव क्लाउड. नेक्स्ट इज